here at the Paris Hotel, floor 10, room 15. Let's go check it out. When you first walk into the left, that'll be your restroom area. There's a big mirror, single vanity sinks, but look at this shower. It is massive. You can literally have a party in the shower. Massive. No bathtub though, but that's fine. Only here one night. Toilet right there. Do have some towels underneath. Conditioner, shampoo, you know, shower gel, body lotion, all that over there. There's a little bit of tissue there. And then you're gonna come in here. This is the 2 queen beds. Awesome decor on the wall. Mom's over there, hello. 2 queen beds, super comfortable. Your entertainment center right here. There is a mini fridge in this one. Super cold too, keep all your drinks cold. And then of course you do have a safe. I could say from personal experience that gambling's pretty good here. The last few times I came here, gambling's pretty good. A drawer right there. Another drawer right there. And of course a drawer on the bottom. Your closets are gonna be on this side. There's 2 of them. One on this side. Big, huge, massive flat screen television right there. 55-inch there. It does have your ironing board, iron and whatnot. Little desk over there. Mirror to check yourself out. And then over here you're gonna see all your plugs. Do have a little clock radio right there. Your phone, which is disconnected. And then there is some room service QR code right there. Little dresser right there. And this is actually the pool view. So you can see down at the pool really good. See all the cabanas, day beds, bunch of lounge chairs down there. And then to the left you'll see the Eiffel Tower. And then of course Caesar Palace to the right. Now the first room that we did have had really poor AC. But this one is super cold in here. There's your lamp. So this is a 2 queen room at Paris Hotel with the pool view. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a comment if you stayed at Paris Hotel and your thoughts on it. Hit the thumbs up if you like the content, and we'll see you for the next journey.